got exhaust on.
When the f did he get an exhaust? I feel my ears breaking right now. What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be rolling with the boys once again. We got an insane lineup of GTRs and a wild Revuelto. We're going to be heading out to a pretty fun car show, so be sure that y'all stick around all the way to the end. We got an Insta360 on the back of Peter's car, and we also got the Osmo Pocket 3 on the back of Jose's car, so we should be capturing some pretty cool flames. Be sure that y'all stick around all the way to the end, and let's go have some fun. Check it out, guys. So right here we got Nick's car. We're actually gonna be riding with Nick, so it's gonna be really fun cruising with this man. We're also gonna be cruising with Peter right here. We got Jose's car. We also got Brad's white R35, and then we got Zaid's insane purple R35. I really like the color. And then I think I saw I think I saw Carlos somewhere over there. All right, guys, so like I told y'all, we're gonna be heading out to an absolutely insane car show. Right here we got my boy Nick. We're gonna be riding with him in his insane R35 GTR. This car shoots some insane flames, so with the other cameras that we have on the other cars, we should be capturing some pretty insane rollers. So be sure that y'all stick around and let's get on the road.
Like you have it right here, and then whenever you want to film something, you just take it off and be like,
That is so sweet.
yeah, it's like it's just convenient.
So I was wondering how you were doing that. Bro, so did you hear Peter's car revving that one time whenever we went to Lime Creek? When we were at a stoplight and he started revving it?
I mean, it's how okay.
What do you mean? It sounds loud. For a stock car, it's pretty loud, I feel like.
There's no flame.
Bro,
This guy just got exhaust on.
when the f did he get an exhaust?
Bro, fuck.
God.
Bro, I knew it, bro.
I thought it looked different from the inside. God damn, that's insane.
You wish that's it, huh?
No, I got it. I got that shit, yeah.
Bro, like, I know this guy onto something.
I heard it a little bit and I was like, bro, what
Oh,
is
that's why I just told me, and I was like, bro, it sounds off.
Dude, the flames feel insane from here.
Bro, this guy, he didn't even say anything.
We're about to have some fun. So Peter just surprised the crap out of us because he just did a flyby. We didn't expect it, but I guess he put on an exhaust this week and it sounds absolutely insane in my opinion. What do you think about his new exhaust?
Crazy, bro.
Sounds so good.
Hey, that's why he a legend, bro. Like, he f around. That shit sound good, bro.
Yeah, I missed that V12. Let's go. I missed that. like the sound of these Revueltos are a lot more crispy than the SVJs.
Yeah.
God damn. It's like if it cuts through the air, that sound.
Bro, my car sound like Tesla behind us.
Man, if only he could rev it while he was driving, man.
Yeah. I knew it, bro. Like, this guy not gonna drive this thing stop. Mới đổ bô không nói. Mới đổ bô mà. Nó nghe đã quá.
It sounds so good.
What is that?
He said I can't.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
See that? Oh my fucking god.
Golly.
That flame, bro.
Sounds so good. Damn, I barely got the tail end of it. You got it though, right? Bro, he is gone.
Back to the group.
Yes, sir. Down here because apparently he said that he wants to go.
It's flame is not as big as meetup.
Yeah.
My flames are way bigger.
So cool to me being able to feel like all the different backfires because I felt the SVJ whenever I got to ride with Peter, and now feeling this one, it feels so different and insane at the same time. God.
Everybody looking, bro.
Yeah. One way to pull up. Alright, so how did y'all enjoy that epic driving? It was so wild being able to drive with Nick, so big shout out to him. I'm gonna be linking his Instagram, his YouTube, everything basically down below in the description so that y'all can go check it out. But yeah, we got all the boys right here. We got Carlos's GTR, Brad's white R35, Jose's R35, Zaid's purple one, and then we got Nick's right there. We're gonna basically do a quick walk around before more people actually get here. We got this wild looking purplish pink Porsche right here. We got a Lotus Amira, I think this is. We got a green Lamborghini Huracan that's lady driven. We got a black Huracan, another black one. And we got a Maybach here. I've never seen a Maybach before. And then we have a Ferrari SF90. We have a nice AMG pulling in. We got an Aston as well pulling in. Dang, check out that beauty. We got a red Gallardo. That is such a sick car. And then we have Peter's Revuelto. We have the orange Aventador right here. And then we have the McLaren 600 LT. We have the Ferrari 488, Audi R8, a Porsche GT4. And then we have this white Audi R8. We have a Lamborghini Gallardo right here. We have a gray Audi R8 Spider. And then we have Porsches right here. We have a red R8 over there. And then I think that's some sort of Lotus or something else. We also got a McLaren 570S pulling into the show and a Lamborghini Huracan Spider. There's some insane cars here, so hopefully y'all are enjoying this video so far. If y'all are, be sure that y'all hit that like button. But right now, let's roll on to a few montages before we actually end up leaving here. Dang, what I didn't see behind all these other cars was this green Aston. It's like an F1 edition. That's what it says right here on this plaque. Y'all let me know what F1 edition basically means for these Astons, but god damn, this is one of the craziest looking Astons in my opinion. I really like the diffuser or rear bumper style that it has. It looks pretty crazy. The only thing I don't really like is the tiny little exhaust pipes. Makes it look a little like not aggressive, but I really do like the color. Y'all let me know if y'all know a little bit about this car, and please let me know down below in the description because I'd love to learn a little bit about this F1 Aston. We got the red Gallardo leaving the show. This thing is probably one of the cleanest Lamborghini Gallardos that I've probably ever seen. Just check out the wheels. The wheels are so clean. Carbon fiber split, or side skirt I should say. Carbon fiber wing. Looks so good in my opinion. Oh my god. Bro.